This is Amit, business consultant and an award-winning author of this book, Your Profound Success. Today I want to give you this crazy offer. I want to give you this insane offer that I want to actually give you this book for free. Yes, you heard it right. I want to give you this book for free. It's called Your Profound Success: 7 Powerful Ways to Skyrocket Your Business Using the Internet. And if you go in for this particular offer, I'm going to send this physical book, this my book, I'm going to send you for free. I just ask you to cover the shipping cost for it, but I will send you this book for free. And the reason I'm doing this is because this book is really important right now. It is talking about how you can take your business, which is either online or offline, now totally online. The secrets that I share with you in this book is about how you can take your business totally online. And if you understand the mechanics of how that is supposed to be done, I'm sure that you will be successful in taking your business fully online. So go for this offer right now. It is right now offered for free. If you go on Amazon, this book is also available where you got to pay for it. But right now, I am giving you this for free. I will ship this book to you. Only thing that I ask you is cover the shipping costs. So go for it right now. This is an incredible deal and I want to send this book to your home address right now.